Question 4 of this exercise says, construct a triangle XYZ in which angle Y equal 30 degree, angle Z equal 90 degree, and XY plus YZ plus ZX equal 11 centimeter. So let's start with the steps of construction. In the first step, draw line BC equal 11 centimeter. So we need to draw a line BC that equal 11 centimeter. So this is B and this is C, and their length is 11 centimeter. Now in the next step, make an angle of 30 degree at B and 90 degree at C using a protractor. So we have to use a protractor and we have to make an angle of 30 degree at B like this, and we have to make an angle of 90 degree at C like this. Now in the next step, we need to bisect angle B with B as center and any radius. Draw a wide arc to intersect both the arms of angle B. So I'll put the compass at B and we'll take any radius and we'll draw two arcs that intersect both of these arms like this. Now in the next step, with intersecting point as the center and same radius, draw two arcs to intersect each other at P. So we need to put the compass at these two intersecting points, and using the same radius we need to draw two arcs like this. Now let's name the intersecting point of these two arcs as P. Now we have to join B and P and extend it beyond P. So we'll draw a line joining B and P like this and extend it beyond P. Now in the next step, we need to bisect angle C. So we'll put the compass at C and we'll draw two arcs intersecting both of these arms. So we'll draw two arcs like this, and then we'll put the compass at these two intersecting points, and using the same radius we'll draw another arcs. So we'll put the compass here and using the same radius we'll draw one arc like this. Then we'll put the compass here and with the same radius we'll draw another arc that intersect the initial arc like this. And we'll name this point of intersection as Q. Then we need to join Q and C like this. We'll join Q and C, and this line QC intersect BP at X. Now in the next step, we need to draw perpendicular bisector of BX. So with B and X as center and radius greater than half of BX, draw arcs on either side of line BX to intersect each other, and joining the intersecting line such that perpendicular bisector intersects BC at Y. So we'll put the compass at B and we'll take radius greater than half of BX and we'll draw an arc like this, and we'll put the compass at X and using the same radius we'll draw another arc like this that intersect this arc. Now we'll do the same thing below this line. So we'll draw two arcs like this and they intersect over here. Now we need to join these two points of intersection. So we'll draw a line and we will join these two points of intersection, and this line intersect BC at Y. So we will name this point as Y. Now in the next step, we need to draw perpendicular bisector of CX. So with C and X as center and radius greater than half of CX, draw arcs to join the intersecting line such that the perpendicular bisector intersect BC at Z. So we'll put the compass at X and we'll draw an arc like this with radius greater than half of XC, and we'll put the compass at C and we'll draw another arc like this. Again we'll draw an arc like this from point C using the same radius, and we'll draw another arc from point X like this that intersect this arc. Now we need to join these 2 points of intersection, and that will be the perpendicular bisector of CX. Now we need to draw a line that intersect BC at Z. So we will name this point of intersection as Z. Now in the next step, we just have to join XY and XZ. We'll get XYZ as the required triangle. So let's join XY and XZ. So we have got XYZ as the required triangle.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.